Alright guys, so Ernie here, Hey the Hiker MD, and out today. It's a beautiful day here in Louisiana. Back out here at Clear Creek, and I'm going to do a little bushcrafting today. I'm going to use my new knife and gather some firewood. Such a pretty day. I'm on call this weekend, actually rounded this morning and off this afternoon. So wife and kids took off to do a little weekend at the observatory outside of Houston, so couldn't go. So I decided if I'm all by myself, I'm going to come out here and enjoy the wilderness. So join me today. We're going to do a little bushcrafting, start a fire down here by the creek, and cook a little lunch. So stay tuned. This pine needle is fairly wet, so I want to really give it a good rub. We're going to see how this goes. I'm not 100% sure how it's going to go, but we're going to give it a try. Flip this over on itself. Get a spark on our char cloth. When I do char cloth, this char cloth is really, I didn't make this one. This one came with a kit I have. This one's really thin. Just want to give it a quick spark. Does not take much. Quickly put this into our little bundle here. Get on this other side because I'm about to get smoked out. So this is going. Alright, fire started. So we're going to let this go. I got a little bit more wood, and we're going to cook up some lunch. So let's move over here and I'll show you guys what I brought. Alright guys, get my fire burning down a little bit over here. Beautiful day. Don't really need this much firewood, probably picked up more than I needed. Got my Ollie Camp kind of bush pot here, and I'm going to use that today. And use this to eat it in. And I've got some onions, some beef, and some zucchini. And we're going to cook this up. Got some olive oil. And I got some seasoning. This is Montreal steak seasoning. Good stuff. We'll let this burn down, and then we're going to cook in this bad boy. See, it's got a bail, so I can easily use. I'm going to let this get down to kind of coals, and then kind of create a little bit of a platform that I can easily put this on safely. Alright guys, this is pretty much the way I want it to be. I'm going to put this on here, let it warm up a little bit. Alright guys, that's probably hot enough. We are going to just throw all this in at once. This is going to be an adventure right here. I've cooked over plenty of campfires. The first time I cook in this pot, so let's throw this in here when we're starting. Anyway guys, it is hot, so we are going to there we go, cooking it up. Kind of threw some of my food on the fire directly. It didn't work out so good. Getting there now. This is just about where I want it to be. Here we go. Alright guys, I think we are good. We'll put this over here, let it cool off a little bit. I'm going to add the last of my... Alright guys, this is what we got. Looks pretty good to me. Peppery, oniony, good. Despite the fact that I threw half my onions on the fire there, they're not really good. So much better than some dehydrated meal. Even got a little sand in there. This is a great paleo meal right here. I'll just tell you tonight, like I told y'all earlier, my family's out of town, my wife and kids and my mother-in-law, they went to a space night at an observatory southwest of Houston, part of the Houston Museum of Science. And they're gone. They took the RV for 2 nights. I'm studying for my recertification board. And I got myself for tonight a ribeye. I'm not exaggerating. I really think it's about 2 inches thick. So I may just show y'all a picture of it at the end of this video, just to kind of rub it in. Really. I hear something. They want my ribeye. I have to tell y'all, I got this Marmot Compressor Plus backpack. I really like it. It's got a area on top, 2 meshes on the side, a big mesh on the front, and just enough in the middle to really use it as a nice day pack. Time to get out of here. Make sure, guys, whenever y'all leave a fire site like this, fire out. I'm gonna head back. Had a great day, and we have so much stuff planned for the channel. So if I get past this test, I'll be really pretty excited. So appreciate you guys watching. Pretty fun cooking over an open fire. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate all the support you guys are giving me. And yeah, thanks. Let's see what we find on the way back. And catch y'all next time. We can follow this dry creek bed back. Ooh, what do we have here? This is my favorite tinder. Cedar tree.